Now the spread of cancer. In our body, cell growth and differentiation. This is controlled. This takes place in a controlled manner. That is, the cells of the immunity system, they show a special property called contact inhibition. Now, what is contact inhibition? That is, the cells which remain in contact with other cells, they inhibit their uncontrolled growth. What do we mean by contact inhibition? That if the cells, they remain in contact with other cells, then they inhibit their uncontrolled cell division. So in normal individuals, cell growth and differentiation is controlled by the immunity system. But when the normal cells, they lose this property of contact inhibition, they start dividing or multiplying uncontrollably, and this gives rise, this uncontrollable multiplication gives rise to a mass of cells, and that mass of cell is called tumor. Now the types of cancer is of two types. First is the benign cancer, and second is the malignant cancer. The benign cancer, it remains confined. It does not spread to other organs. It remains confined to its original location and do not spread to other parts of the body. Whereas the malignant cancer, it has a mass of proliferating cells. Proliferating means actively dividing cells, and this leads to the formation of tumor cells. These multiplying cells, they grow very rapidly, and then they invade or attack the normal cells, and then they damage the normal cells, and then these normal cells, they also, which are attacked by the cancerous cells, they also become cancerous, and this property is called metastasis. That is, cells of the tumor which reach to the other normal cells through blood, and then they start multiplying there also, and they make the normal cells cancerous. This property is called metastasis.